Hello friends, welcome back and thanks for watching. This is gonna be a quick video, but I have kind of become a little bit obsessed with Mackenzie Childs lately. I've been obsessed with all things like kitchen and decor, and one of the things that Sam and I said this year we're gonna do in 2025 is really finish getting our house decorated and organized the way we want. I wasn't sure about the quality of Mackenzie Childs. I had seen people talk about it, so I ordered one piece, and when it came in I was like, oh, I fear we have started a problem now. So I wanted to share the pieces that I have, and then some of the wish list items that I have coming up. Do not judge me, because it's gonna be bad. So everything I'm talking about is gonna be numbered up on screen and linked in the description bar below. I'll show you guys how I have all of this stuff styled, and we will get started with the thing that started it all for me. So the Courtly check is the print that I absolutely love, which is just that plain black and white checker print. And I feel like this, I was also really nervous how it was gonna look with the backsplash in my kitchen. And when this came in, I was like, oh, that's a chameleon piece. Like, it just looks so good with my kitchen, and I've seen so many people talk about it and how good it looks with their kitchen. So, but what sold me is that this is like, I believe it's called a coated enamel canister. I thought all of Mackenzie Childs stuff was glass, and I don't know why I thought that, but when this came in and I got to feel it, and I was like, oh, this is also going to be great for children, because it's not just this like big, heavy, chunky glass canister that if my kids knock over, it's going to shatter. So I was very impressed with the quality of this right out of the gate. And I love the red detail on top. It has the Mackenzie Childs like gold logo on the front, and this thing holds so much coffee. Like, we just had a glass canister that held the coffee that we grind up every week. But even Sam made a couple comments about how much this holds. And so we just fell in love with, I fell in love with this, and he just liked the size. So I'm lumping him into this. It is just beautiful. This started it all. And from there, I did buy a bunch of Christmas things, but a lot of them actually I didn't realize. I bought them on Black Friday. Like, I kind of just bought a ton of things on Black Friday, and a lot of them I guess were on a sale because they were either getting discontinued or they're just not in stock anymore. So that's why they're not in this video. But yeah, this bad boy started it all. And then I loved that so much that I wanted to get another canister, of course, for our sugar, because these two sit out on our counter. Now, they do have a smaller canister like this. I will put all of the information in the description bar and comment section. They have a smaller one, but we actually are not huge sugar in our coffee people. Sam will do it sometimes if we're like out of half and half. So I wanted something really tiny, and I actually liked that this was a different shape than this canister here. But again, the quality of it was just amazing, and I love the red detail on top, and I feel like it just looks so good on our counter. So we do use this for sugar. It is full. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Again, I feel like this holds so much more. So these two sit on our counter, and I just absolutely love them. I love the way they look. Y'all are gonna see it pop up everywhere in my kitchen. Another thing I grabbed was this spoon rest. I personally just like, I didn't realize I think that spoon rests are ugly until I got this one, and I was like, oh, it's so pretty. Like, I just think they're unfortunate looking, and usually they say spoon on it. I just don't like it. This is so pretty to me. And so I actually keep this one over with our coffee stuff, because again, we are constantly like stirring either creamer or sugar in our coffee, and we didn't want to get coffee on the counter. So I got this, and I think I'm gonna get another one with the like, I think they have one that has the sides look different. So I can keep them when I'm cooking too. I just think this is gorgeous. This was definitely more affordable out of all the ones that I have purchased, but I'm telling you, again, you're gonna see so many of these pieces pop up in my kitchen because they look so good. This is stunning. This is a recipe box. I actually grabbed this from QVC because they were having a really big sale, and I fell in love with it. You guys know I've been baking and cooking nonstop, and there were a lot of things that I needed recipes for constantly, and I was sick of going to my phone. And there is just something so convenient about being able, like, I'm someone who, I like paper, I like lists, I like, you know, all those things. So I liked being able to have my little recipes sitting beside me, and then I can put it it away and not worry about it. I do also keep the pins in here just so that it's easy to write in here, and I know that they're always close if I want to write my recipes down. I will say the cards, when they came in, they kind of like laid in the bottom, which annoyed me. So I did just purchase some like random extras off of Amazon. I will link these in the description bar and comment section below as well. But I just know I'm going to have so many recipes that I wanted to have extras anyway. So I do just love these, but I feel like this just looks so pretty on my counter. Again, that black and white check, like it stands out, but it's not obnoxious. And I just was really surprised by it. So this is stunning. I believe QVC has the pink, blue, and gray. And since I am newer to Mackenzie Childs, I'm not like 100% versed on her, like all her patterns and what everything is called. But I will say the courtly check I know, and it is beautiful and classic. And then this one I purchased from Amazon. I am a big ring wearer. I'm a big jewelry person. And there are pieces of jewelry that I wear every single day that I take off every day. There are pieces I sleep in, but I like don't sleep in my wedding ring. I don't sleep in this ring. And so I wanted something that was tiny that would hold my stuff. And I actually really think this is gorgeous on display next to my perfume. So this little Mackenzie Childs dish is perfect for so many things. You could keep it just like as display in your living room, but I just think it's like absolutely amazing for a little jewelry dish. And then I love the little bee on top. I'm not sure if you guys can see that well, but I just think that is so adorable. And the size of this is just absolutely incredible. So again, you're gonna see a lot of this. Some people have told me to wait until the barn sale in the summertime. So I'm definitely gonna keep a list of things that I want, but I will say next up will probably be the utensil holder. I really want that. I love our utensil holder, but I think again, it's like neutral and simple. And I kind of want something that stands out. I feel like, you know, our utensils are neutral. And it just is kind of all looking very bland on that like area that you see in our kitchen from the living room, like the main part of our kitchen. It just looks very bland and there's not a lot of pattern and decor there. So probably the utensil holder will be the next thing that I purchase, and also the butter dish. So I use Kerrygold butter. Love Kerrygold butter. And what I actually do is, and I didn't know you could do this, but I looked into it and my dad told me that I could do this. You take a stick of Kerrygold butter out of the fridge and you put it in a butter dish and you let it sit in a butter dish on the counter, and it's totally fine to use. And that really stressed me out, but it makes the easiest, best spreadable butter of all time. And so now I need a butter dish on my counter at all time because I'm obsessed with it, and I'm obsessed with bread making, and you always need butter. And I just feel like the butter dish I have, like they all say butter on it. I just didn't love it. So I will probably get the butter dish as well. I do think the price of that one is a little bit insane for a butter dish. So that might be like my birthday gift to myself. But that is definitely going to be the next one. And then the teapot. Now that is the classic. Whenever you think of Mackenzie Childs, you think of the teapot, like just the look. She has so many prints. And personally, I have seen a lot of people use them as vases for flowers. And that I think is what has sold me, because I don't make a ton of like tea. I don't boil a lot of water that wouldn't be with the intent of cooking. But I have seen a lot of people use them as vases. I even saw one girl, she had like a blue and white, I think it was the blue and white check print. And she was hosting a baby shower for her brother and sister-in-law. And she had all of that blue and white check out, and she was like using it as a vase for flowers. And it was like, oh, it's so pretty. And again, when you're looking into our kitchen, just that like main area where our stove is, it's kind of plain and there's not a lot there. So that will probably be something else that I get soon too. And with that being said, we are done with this video. Y'all need to know it's coming. I've always been someone who, like, when I get hyper fixated on something, I really obsess over it and it becomes like my whole personality, and I love it. And right now I think it's just because I'm like in the kitchen baking and cooking that I'm decorating, and I found a really high quality brand that looks good. You can get anything under the sun for your kitchen. And again, I just think it's like, I'm a little hyper fixated on it. So please excuse the ridiculous obsession that you're gonna see in 2025. But thank you guys so much for watching. Again, everything is linked in the description bar and comment section below. Love you guys so much. I hope you had a beautiful Christmas, and I hope you have an even better New Year.